Kakak Bhago!
Good morning, people. Johnny here again. Saturday ride. Sat lagi ya. Adik pun mari datang lagi. Padanan mga Andre, ngamudi ngale. Pero ngasi ini sa lisiti. Ako yung Far East Ultrathon na. Ako yung marathon na ma sa Chien ito ko. Kaya no da. Ako yung Kakching lagi na Moreh bawa Chien ito ko. Adogi video coverage of the tour ito ni. Ay yang ngan na mahalaga ni. Abdi nasi working day ni na. Ako ay susuti thade ko. Sabak le ito na ngan na mahalaga ni. Ado moi Far East Ultrathon se ako gi India the first time ne hai. Ako gi cross country Chien bose ko. Ado moi ja ahing pung ani dagi Chien ma khogro ni ako na message hara me. To nong ki condition se nong di taduk di mande nung sa sarak ni. Na ina to kita receive salaga makoy Chien mahora mani ka sa ina ko. Mo sa ahing pung ani dagi Chien mase hore nung pung maro ama da Moreh yo ni hai mo se. Adul Moy marak juga apera bit unaraga video clip matek logo adu ne bagi ai plan je tu ga yang ngan dum hala ka doine sayup di ingini sunrise everyone. Kakching to Moreh ga na ka marathon na chili kang mo mo gi stamina jo pa makhal na me ko Chien no la nai gari tho wai ya mo ko gi stamina jo adu jo aching mathak ne mo check kali Chien no na yam sang se lamini election zone. Waterfall man. Yeah, what other? Angel eh, kami angel eh, guys. Wih, ramai lagi. Moreh 49 kilometers का है। बस उधर है। No Aizan. What the hell? I am too crazy. Ngâm bro. Hello. Rồi. À. Bus stand à? Army में हम ले होगा था. Oh. CC पाएगा क्या? Okay. Oh. Oh. कहाँ था दुकान था? हाँ. 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 ओ. ओ. कहीं था मिनो. बोके. मानो मागी hydration bag से bus stand तो हम तो वो आदो के मु low वो मु चल लोरी ने आदो मु आर्मी ना ambulance से लग ले रहा मैं तो ये मार्क ताई ना bike तक के तो सिचुएली कांगो से खुद था तो वो ये हाँ क्या बात आई rồi nắm tôi xem sửa chia lên quay party muốn cái này chia lên nó à phốt được gì à mà thằng mình chia nó gì vậy muốn cái nào cái gì của à Maning ani kadang selalu tahu selalu okay chia lên vẫn chia lên một cái nữa Phan ơi nó ra đúng không Ồ Sini kita aja nih. Gaya tahu dan tu udre. Aje gaya uki 540 चले. Tengnoupal ले हुए. Sile marathon gi, nó em rồi còn. Một cái này refreshing tàu đi vào lên. Ai scan हो गया दरे हम तो उधरे Moreh mi चल लीजिए उन्हें मम्मी शामी हुई हुई कंध हो गया दरे
I'm not at all tired. So of all the hydration and nutrition here and all the Assam rifle camps. Thank you so much.
भागो काका भागो
It's not all rosy. We have the chocolate puddle as well.
Please let me have the privilege to share. I was using this keep run of Decathlon, and I had run more than 3,500, and I'm still using it whenever I come home. I had already used more than 3,000 kilometers in Gurgaon. Then I thought, oh, time up for Gurgaon. Then I brought it to in my hometown, and then whenever I come to Manipur, I wear that. I have run more than 3,500, and yes, its wear and tear is there, but still, I feel comfortable wearing that shoe. So one fine day, I was running with Chinglemba, and he saw me running with that wear and tear one, and then
It was torn.
and then he was so. He was simply impressed. Why the hell you are still wearing with this wear and tear shoes? I said, I love this model. I just love this brand. All my big runs, like 100 kilometers run. When I did my first 100 kilometers run around 2.5 years back, I used that shoe. When I did my 75 or any long distance, oh yes, the backyard ultra. When I took part for the first time, when I ran 22 hours, most of the time I used that shoe. So then,
No, we also want
good
to.
words.
We also want to hear the story of Backyard Ultra.
Oh, Backyard Ultra. So that 22 hours was the first edition that I took part. Second edition I took part this year, March 2022, and all those runners coming all across from all across the India, they were very generous. They gave me the privilege to be the assist in the sense second position, and So I got the privilege to represent India in the upcoming World Team Championship, which will be happening in October 15, 2022. So all my life, I had dreamed to represent India at some point of time, and finally it came. I'm a dreamer, and I never shy away to share my dreams. Now I'm dream higher. So let's hope for the best for the upcoming October event. And once again, thank you so much, Chinglembe and the Decathlon team. And so I will surely use this to, in this upcoming October event. And with this show and with all the wishes and the prayers from you guys, hopefully I'll do much more better. And hopefully you know that, huh? I mean, may emerge as our number. Thank you again so much, Chinglembe and the Decathlon team. And the last but not the least, I mean, the concept and the thought process that Tamo Naurem Kumar, Tamo means the big brother with respect. So with Tamo Naurem Kumar it initiated around 2 years back, right? No, around 3 years back, so before COVID. So this is the second edition. And the first edition, when I saw that update in the Facebook, I really thought of, going there, running up to the Moreh side. And then, but that first edition I missed to take part. And then this second part, when I saw that update in Facebook, then I really got inspired, and I have seen the upgrades and the development of these whispering woods from the point where there was no gates and these woods were, I think, small. So I keep seeing, and I love to see the cats and all the animals, and especially emu. so then these three fellows, we run together in Gurgaon, almost say at least 2 to 3 times in a week. So one fine morning, I suggested, there's a run called East Ultrathon, which will be happening from one of the districts up to Moreh, and probably we may cross the border, which unfortunately not happen, but next time surely. And then they agreed readily. We booked the flight, and then finally we are here and had a great memories, and hopefully, and we are looking forward to take part and to come again and run, and probably next time we come, we may cross that friendship bridge and go inside the Burma. Let's invade Burma next time we come. Thank you all.